Affiliate marketing versus dropshipping. I wonder which one's more profitable. Stick around and find out. Are you ready to two popular online business models? If you're on the fence about whether to dive into affiliate marketing or dropshipping, stay tuned because this breakdown might change your financial future. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm comparing affiliate marketing and dropshipping, two powerful paths to online income. Whether you're looking for passive income or want to build a brand, this comparison will help you find the best model. Start with affiliate marketing. Here you promote other companies' product through unique links, earning a commission every time someone purchases through your link. The beautiful part of this is no inventory, no shipping, and merger upfront costs. The pros to this: low risk, you don't need to invest in products. Flexibility, you can work anywhere, anytime. Scalability, once set up, it's passive income source. The cons to this is dependency on companies. Your income could be affected by the change of terms. 2, low control over customer experience. Since you're not handling fulfillment, you rely on the brand's reputation. Dropshipping, on the other hand, is a little different. Here you set up a store, typically online, a list of products you don't hold in stock. When a customer orders your purchase directly from the supplier who ships it to them, it feels like you're running an online store without inventory hassles. The pros and cons of this is low setup costs, no need to stock products, control over customer experience, you set your prices and build a brand. Potential for high profit margins, mark your prices and earn directly from each sale. The cons to this is customer service responsibility. You're the face of the sale, even if fulfillment is by a third party. Narrow margins, suppliers set base prices, limiting markup flexibility. Competition, often you compete with others selling the same product. Comparing profitability. All right, so which model puts more cash in your pocket? Let's talk numbers. Upfront investment with affiliate marketing, your principal investment is time, creating content, establishing an audience, and choosing the right programs. Dropshipping, however, has a higher setup cost, especially if you're using ads to attract customers. Scalability, affiliate marketing can be highly scalable. You can earn a passive income by promoting products in videos or blogs you've already created. Dropshipping, while also scalable, usually requires ongoing customer acquisition efforts. In affiliate marketing, efforts go towards audience engagement and niche research, while dropshipping, your investment effort is in marketing, customer service, and sometimes inventory sourcing. Which one should you choose? Here's the reality. It depends on your skills, your risk tolerance, and your business goals. Affiliate marketing could be your path if you want low risk and enjoy content creation. Dropshipping might be worth the investment if you're passionate about running an online store and want control over your branding. At the end of the day, affiliate marketing and dropshipping offer unique opportunities to make money online, but don't just take my word for it. Start small, test each model, and see which works best for you. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on growing your online income. Let's make 2025 coming soon your breakthrough year. This is Scott. Hey, peace.